Duke Street has been the location of the Houses of Parliament since 1960. It is the designated meeting place of all political representatives to discuss matters of national interest. The need for this building was due to the small size of the previous location, Headquarters House, now the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. The naming of the Houses of Parliament building after national hero George William Gordon represents the fighting spirit of our people for freedom and justice for all classes in the society. That same spirit also helped to pave the way for much of the advances in self-government and democracy in Jamaica. A celebration which came August 6, 1962, marking our independence from the British rule official. Every year since, the pride and joy of this moment is marked by national celebrations as well as the colorful opening of Parliament. Gordon House or Houses of Parliament on Duke Street is now a household name. But another turn in our history will see this location no longer functioning as the meeting place of our leaders. Plans for the relocation fall under an Act of Parliament in 1956 to create a government zone to house all ministries. The government zone, spanning 300 acres, will include the new Parliament and Museum, along with the government buildings of ministries and agencies in a renewed urban space. It is anticipated that the construction of a new Parliament building will lead to increased synergy and efficiency of government operations. The Urban Development Corporation (UDC) in 2010, as part of its redevelopment plan for downtown Kingston and Port Royal, included the National Heroes Circle and the surrounding zone as the designated space for the Parliament. The three phases of the project include concept development, detailing of concept for the entire space, and procurement of services for the implementation process. As the leading government agency for urban development, the UDC is heading the project, having successfully completed major national projects such as the Simon Bolivar Cultural Center, the National Indoor Sports Center, the Montego Bay Convention Center, and the Jamaica Conference Center.
We are leading the project management of this phase of the project, which is the development of the concept, packaging, and costing. We are not at procurement stage. So we will get to procurement stage at the end of a year, and then we will have an opportunity to open up for professionals.
The UDC's General Manager, Dr. Damon Graham, was addressing a stakeholder group of local professionals of architects and engineers. He outlined the opportunities that exist for Jamaicans to work on this milestone project. For the conceptual stage of the project, persons were encouraged to, in the spirit of volunteerism, share ideas regarding the design and layout of the space. The work is vast for the build-out of the 300 acres, and so the input of local professionals is important to the significance of the project to the country.
Every project that the UDC has undertaken, we have sought to ensure that local contractors and professionals are retained. And so it is at the procurement stage that we anticipate retention of persons in a paid way, because funding will then have been allocated towards the project, not just for the building of the Parliament, but also for the zone itself.
In March 2017, government signed a memorandum of understanding with the China Construction Company of America.
The MOU is not a contract. The MOU is an understanding. The government of Jamaica has employed the UDC, its leading agency for development, to do the project management. We will manage these consultants which have come on board. Jamaicans can rest assured that we will be the ones that will be managing and ensuring that it is a Jamaican purpose-built space.
The Urban Development Corporation, undertaking sustainable development for future generations. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 656-8031 or visit their website at udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor, Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.